standing in front of a wheat corn fallow plot. This is corn planted in no-till planted in the wheat stubble. These corn yields compared to sorghum is less. Corn this year is probably going to be average or above. Fairly good early in the season. And one of the herbicide options. Sorghum, if you have delayed maturity, maybe due to a cool August, it gets late and you have an early freeze or maybe even a regular time early yields, whereas corn will be done by then. It won't be affected. So anyway, there's several reasons to plant corn. People do that. Another reason that I think is important is corn doesn't have the sorghum dust, the itch you get from harvested sorghum. So that's nice. And you harvest earlier, or you can, and be done for the year.